Welcome to our guide on using file converters. Ever wondered what they are and why they're essential? Let's dive in. First, let's look at some common file formats. You might be familiar with PDFs for documents, DOCX for Word files, and MP4 for videos. Understanding these formats is crucial for effective file conversion. When selecting a file converter, consider factors like compatibility, user-friendliness, output quality, and whether it supports batch conversions. Let's go through a step-by-step process for using an online file converter. First, choose your converter, upload your file, select your desired format, and hit Convert. Desktop file converters can be powerful and offer more features, but they take up space on your device. Online converters are easily accessible, but may have limited functionalities. It's essential to know that file converters have limitations. Be aware of file size restrictions and the formats supported by the converter you choose. To maintain quality during conversion, use reputable converters, avoid excessive compression, and always review the output file for any discrepancies. Batch conversion can save you a lot of time. If you have multiple files to convert, use converters that support this feature to process them simultaneously. If your conversion fails, don't panic. Check for internet connection issues, ensure your file is in a supported format, or try a different converter. In conclusion, file converters are valuable tools. By understanding their functions and limitations, you can ensure a smooth conversion process. Follow the best practices we've discussed,